Amiable, an agile, ambitious, and modern company focused on creating a better future every day. Located in Palghar and Wada in Maharashtra and Jamnagar, Gujarat, Amiable is a leading manufacturer and exporter of exothermic welding. For more than a decade, Amiable has been providing outstanding products and services, developing new technologies and new innovations, maintaining the highest level of quality, and impacting the environment in a positive way. The dedication to provide best products and service has earned Amiable the trust of one of the biggest players in power industry, earthing and lightning industry, transmission and substation industry, electricity distribution, telecommunication industries, railways and solar industries, to whom Amiable brings quality assurance, on-time delivery and high customer satisfaction. The company has in-house metallurgical lab with spectro analysis and microscopic analysis, mechanical lab with Brinell hardness testing machine and transverse load testing machine, and chemical lab. Amiable has a 24 hours power supply with additional backup of generator for uninterrupted functioning of factory. Let us look at the manufacturing process of flux powder. The raw material is processed with a rotary kiln to remove any oil, water or dirt contamination. And then it is passed through cooler to ensure safety during handling. After mixing, the powder is again heated to ensure consistency. Once the powder is ready, it is then tested by making the welding joint. And then the joint is cut from the center to check the joint performance. Only after confirmation of the test, the powder is then packed in plastic tubes or sachets in weights as per the requirement. The pack is then sealed to avoid moisture contamination in the powder. The final packaging is made in inner corrugated box and finally in outer corrugated box. The same box is then strapped to ensure secure packaging for delivery and storage. Let us now look at the process of graphite mold manufacturing. The fabrication of graphite mold is done in-house. The company has also VMC machines for making molds and semi-automated machines for fabrication of graphite molds varying from 3 mm to 50 mm in any shape for copper conductors, rods, rebars and strips. Let us now look at the process of exothermic welding. Amiable is an ISO 9001, ISO 45001 and ISO 14001 certified company. And all the products are RoHS and CE compliance. Amiable's Exothermic Welding is UL listed, tested in Canada by PowerTech Lab and is as per the international standard of IEEE 837-2014. Amiable has supplied products to more than 1,000 customers across 60 countries and aims to become a market leader in manufacturing exothermic welding products. Since foundation, the company has grown through continuous development, maintaining highest quality, working with integrity, bringing positive impact on environment, and believing in future possibilities. Amiable, creating a better future every day.